While the salt rock certainly makes a stunning serving platter, cooking atop these thick slabs can infuse a clean taste and over 80 beneficial minerals into your favorite foods. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, select the best salt rock for your needs. Salt rocks come in a variety of textures and sizes, but for grilling, you'll want a consistently translucent slab, at least 2 inches thick, and without any visible cracks. If you plan on cooking or grilling on it, a Himalayan salt rock is an excellent choice. It's essential you properly season and temper a new salt block the first few times you use it to avoid breakage. Begin by slowly warming the block on the oven's bottom rack at the lowest heat setting for 30 minutes. Then begin raising the temperature 50 to 75 degrees at a time. Letting the block sit 30 minutes at each setting before increasing the heat. Continue this process until you reach 550 degrees, then turn off the oven. With the door closed, let the block slowly cool until it's back at room temperature. To get started grilling with your slab, place it on a cold grill, then begin heating the rock and grill simultaneously. Once the slab has reached the perfect temperature, grill or sear your food as you would cooking directly on the grill's grates. When you're finished, scrape off any leftover food or seasoning, then leave it on the grill to cool down to room temperature. To clean and maintain your salt rock, scrape away any remaining oils or food residue, then rinse it with warm water. With regular use, even the thickest slabs will begin to develop some pitting, so use fine grit sandpaper to smooth out rough spots. As your slab ages and becomes too thin for grilling, you can use it as a serving platter and eventually grind up the last bits to season your favorite foods. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.